In this video, we are going to learn how to do rotation, that's transformation in a plane. I'm going to show you a simple trick to help you remember when you are asked to rotate 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, 360 degrees. So first of all, what you do is you draw 5 brackets. The next thing you do is you write X, Y, Y, X. That is, you make them alternate. The next thing is you choose the second bracket from your left, then you negate the Y. Then you negate the X and then the Y for the third one. Then with the fourth one, you negate only the X. The next thing you do is you're going to indicate the angles. 0 here, 90 here, 180 here, 270 here, and then 360 here. So you do that this way: 0, 90, 180, 270, then 360. Then you make the top anti-clockwise. Then write clockwise below. Now after doing this, what you need to know is that 90 degrees anti-clockwise is the same as 270 degrees clockwise. 180 degrees anti-clockwise is the same as 180 degrees clockwise. 270 anti-clockwise is the same as 90 degrees clockwise. So with the question we have here, rotate 3, 4 through 90 degrees anti-clockwise. So our coordinates are X and then Y, that is 3 and 4. So 90 degrees anti-clockwise will be negative Y, X. So what you do is you place Y in front, so Y will be in front. So the 4 becomes -4, then X 3. Then 90 degrees clockwise. With 90 degrees clockwise, is going to be Y negative X. So you are going to have 4 minus 3.